Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I have my brother Yoni cooking with me.
Hi.
Hello. Brothers. Okay, me and Yoni cannot be more non-alike.
The only thing I've really ever made is about eggs or instant oatmeal. Eitan's tried teaching me different things before. I don't know, never been into it.
Yoni's in the kitchen with me today. His least favorite question to get is, oh, do you also cook? He does not, but today he is the cook. Paneer Tikka Masalas. You know, like when we go to the Indian restaurants or when I make, it's paneer, the cheese, cubed, and then it's like a tomatoey sauce, cream sauce with Indian spices.
Okay, I could do that.
Yeah.
I could do that.
Okay.
All right.
Would you like to do it?
Yeah, whatever, I'm here.
Okay.
Wow, all right, well, let's start with the onions. That sounds good. Hold up, I saw this one in a TikTok.
Wow. Look at it, without any direction. Slightly ashamed I didn't teach him this, but this is impeccable technique.
Okay, that looks like about enough.
Wow. I am very proud, not gonna lie. I'm not only crying because of the onions, I'm crying because I'm proud.
Okay, can I move this to the side? It can stay, right?
You can do whatever you want.
Okay, cashews.
Cashews.
Do you even need to cut cashews, or do they go like on top?
That's for you to decide. Look at this. I am thoroughly shooketh. I mean, you're not supposed to cut them, but like.
Oh, you're not?
No, oh, sorry. Yeah, no. But you're at least doing it somewhat all right.
Cut everything?
Why don't you start the sauce?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
All right.
Just a little pro tip.
Can I get a spoon? Thank you. I have no technique for this. This is just kind of.
We could tell.
You want for two? You want to eat this too?
I do. Well,
that's daring of you.
It is.
Can this come off? This isn't hot, right?
Yeah, no.
I just need to transfer the onions, that's all. Okay, go a little bit of onions. Is this good? Salt Bay action?
Little.
Salt Bay
So
action?
you do watch my videos?
No, you're just loud and I'm here a lot.
Oh.
Does this need to be like mashed up more?
There is a blender here, so.
All right.
Amazing.
Is it plugged in?
It is.
Oh. Wow, I have no idea where to go from here. All right, let's just put it back in, whatever. That looks good. If I remember correctly, isn't it more like creamy?
There are other ingredients on the table.
Like what? Oh, that's heavy cream, isn't that?
Ah!
What, you can put it back? It's all the same dish. Let's put a little bit, blend, and then we'll do a little bit more. A little bit more.
That's what it needs.
Oh, maybe we need more tomato. People are gonna think I'm joking when I say I never cook. Like, I don't. The other day, me and my friends were making Muddy Buddies. We ended up not eating them. They were really bad. I tried calling Eitan for help because we kind of messed it up. All right, let's go back in here. That doesn't look horrible. Oh, do I need to cook this first?
That could be helpful.
Get a little mixing going. We need some flavor. Can I use spices?
You can.
Spanish smoked paprika. Sounds good.
An Indian classic.
Am I gonna be eating this?
Yes.
Let's get the cheese chopping.
Got it.
How big of chunks do I want? That looks about good.
That might be the first right thing you've done.
No way,
Yeah.
really?
If I took a photo of this
Yeah,
and blurred it out,
yeah.
it would look like Paneer Tikka Masala.
Really? That looks pretty mixed in.
Okay. Oh, do you want to serve it with rice?
What's this?
I got you microwave rice.
Oh.
Your favorite method of cooking.
No way. Close, very nice. Okay, that went well. That went pretty good. So I realized I didn't cook the cheese.
You didn't cook a bunch of things.
Let's crisp it. Oh, the sauce. Do I wash the cheese?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna wash one piece of cheese at a time. This is taking a spin I didn't expect. I thought we were about to eat.
Can I get a slotted spoon? I know what that is. All right.
Slotted spoon.
Look at that, no sauce. That's the use of the slotted spoon, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. Okay. All right.
This whole video is giving me the tall penny on the vodka flashbacks. Washing the cheese, washing the pasta. Let's get a little close up on our washed cheese.
Oh, I need oil first or something.
Okay. Wow.
Some of them are sizzling, some of them are not.
Aside from washing it, This may be the first correct cooking technique after cutting onions since the first minute of the video.
Listen to that. Do we need to flip these? Double the speed.
Hey, that's a nice golden brown.
Wait, I know what I'm not doing right. I know what these are for.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah!
I was supposed to put the whole thing. I've never seen this anywhere.
God,
Just in case you were wondering.
first human on planet Earth to hold more than one tongue. I'm gonna take the rice out. Shall I pour it into our bowl?
Oh my God.
There you go. Bon appetit, is it time to eat?
I just gotta plate this nice, because if it's gonna taste bad, at least make it look nice. First, get the sauce on there. It doesn't look so bad. Like, there are definitely worse looking things in the world.
There are.
It's got color, it's got rice.
Color and rice fall into the same category of items.
All right, that's not horrible. What leaves are like the top leaves, you know? You put leaves on top.
Top leaf.
Oh, this is kind of what I was going for. All right. This is better than your plating on Chopped back in food. That's food.
Food is a strong word. Yoni's Paneer Tikka Masala.
I think it's good.
Shall we try?
Yeah.
Ready?
How wide should my eyes be open? Because yours go pretty wide when you eat.
We could have a competition. That is as bad as I thought.
I've had a lot of worse things. Like, it's not good. It does not have a lot of flavor. Oh, you guys want to try?
Yoni.
I'm so sorry about this.
So hungry, and I can't wait to try the raw
Yeah.
onion concoction.
Yeah.
You have to cook onions?
You know what? It's a crazy thing, but actually you do.
Yoni.
Like
Going
Rachel,
hot.
you got some top leaf?
I've got a top leaf,
much
and I
top
also have a
leaf.
nice raw onion just hanging out right there.
Cheers.
Cheers to Yoni,
Lucky
this
us.
artistry.
Cheers to you, yo-yo.
I'm so sorry.
Did you put any salt in it?
No.
No, I didn't.
I might take a handful of cashews to go. Just a little palate cleanser.
Yes.
I love your work. Thank you so much for sharing it.
Well, this was fun.
This was all right.
Let's do a little bit of cleanup. I'm now going to show you how other people make it.
Different ways, you know.
Different ways. Some people cook their onions. Some people eat them raw. Some people wash their paneer. Let's get cooking. All right, now it's time for me to make you my Paneer
Okay.
Tikka Masala. We're going to start off by making homemade paneer. So do you want to stir this up? Now, I've made this so many times at home.
I think.
I love the certainty. So we are now boiling our milk. And now, do you know what this mystery liquid is?
Water. Oh, that's vinegar.
Yes, it is. Wow, look at you. You literally just boil milk and you add in your acid. You could use lemon juice, you could use vinegar. I'm just gonna pour this in here. And now before your eyes, maybe let's get a camera nice and close. Right before your eyes, this is going to turn from milk into those curds. Look at that.
Oh
Is
my
that a little
God.
magic?
What the heck?
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We have made homemade cheese. So we are now going to take this. We're just going to strain off as much of the way as possible. And we're going to place it inside of a little towel. Do you not remember when I did this at home?
No. I'm not in the kitchen. You're in the
This
kitchen.
is true. All right. A homemade paneer, in my opinion, is better. I think it's worth the effort. All right. Ready? And bam. Over here, we have our cheese curds. This is our curd. And over here, we have our whey. We are now going to, see we have a strainer over here. We're trying to get rid of all of that whey. We only want those beautiful curds. So we're going to fold this over here. We're gonna place this on here. We just wanna kind of weigh it down. Then we're gonna cut it up and then we're gonna start making our,
Can I do the cutting?
you can. That was actually one of the things you did correctly, so you may. Okay, so we are now going to grab our onions. Do you wanna grab a knife there? I know you did a beautiful dice before, but we're actually just going to cut them in half, remove the skin, and cut them into a slice since we're blending it up.
Look at those. Look at those cuts.
Some are thick, some are thin. Now, Yoni, we're gonna add in the onions, strain there, just keep on stirring. 5 to 6 minutes. Let's cut the tomatoes.
All right. Oh, this one's going better. Not great, but better.
Alrighty, now we're gonna add my in. Now, take a peek over there. What do you see? More than one spice.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
It's pretty common knowledge that Indian food has good amount of spice in it. Would you agree?
I made it with one because I only wanted the one in it.
Oh. Okay, let's add our spices. We're gonna add in some Kashmiri chili powder. Let's add in garam masala. It's a beautiful spice mix, full of flavor. We're gonna add in some coriander. Do you wanna add that in?
What's this?
We're gonna add in some cumin. And now salt and pepper.
Salt Bay action.
That was maybe 2 pieces of salt. We're gonna add that right in there. We are also going to add in a little bit of sugar. Sugar helps out with the tomatoes. All right, so we're just gonna cook that in here now for another like minute or so, just to bloom those spices. And then we're going to blend it up. There you go. Spoon it right into here.
Plug that in.
Do you want to do the honors?
Got it.
How many Bernaths does it take to turn on a blender? Amazing.
Good.
Now, into our pot, we're going to heat that back up. Do you want to grab some of the vegetable oil? Add that into there. And now, into here, we're going to add in our spices. So we're going to add in bay leaves, we're going to add in some cinnamon, and we're going to add in our cumin seeds. And now, we're going to add in some garlic and ginger paste. Now, you chose to do the Jackson Pollock technique. But yeah, you just dump that right in there. Amazing. And now cook that around, stir that up. What we're doing over here, let me just scrape it, is we're building up a lot of flavor right here. Now, do you want to grab that? We're going to pour it right into here. There we go. And into there. There we go. Ooh. Do you want to stir that up?
Sure.
Now we're going to add in heavy cream. Very important. Straight into there.
Why did you get so many more ingredients than I did?
You had actually the same ingredients as me.
Oh, really?
I just chose to use them. Over here, we have our paneer cheese that we made. And we're just going to take this out and look at that. Ready for the reveal?
Ooh.
Look at that. All right, we're going to cut into cubes. Do you want to do the cutting? I feel like we're good at that.
Sure.
Wait, that actually is working well.
It's not that complicated.
All right, little trick. I need a little more liquid in there, so I'm actually going to just wash out my blender and add it in there for even more flavor. We are now going to add in some oil into our other pot that is now heating up. Do you want to place the paneer in there?
Yeah,
your specialty.
Sure.
Now, I choose to not wash my paneer before I add it in. Typically, you want to not. That's hot.
Oh.
Typically,
really
you
hot.
want to not mix water with hot oil. It can be dangerous, so we try not to do that. But great, add that right in there. Coolio. Okay, we're now going to get those nice and seared up. Now, we're actually in a little food coloring.
Okay, we won't
Don't do that. We won't tell anyone. It is
Careful.
done sometimes. Concerned Facebook moms, take this. Into here as well. Let's add in the rest of our spices. We're gonna add in a little bit of turmeric. Let's add in a little more chili powder for some more spice. Why not? Yeah. Oh, come on.
Get that all. Oh, wow. Nice job. I thought the first one was a little too hard to smack it.
After a brief intermission, I have now strained this to make sure that no glass got in the food so we can actually eat it.
Sounds good.
I don't know about you, but I don't like glass in my Paneer Tikka Masala. Put that bad boy right here. Let's grab ourselves a new spoon.
Back at home, this would happen all the time, and mom and dad would get really pissed. So it's just funny seeing things just don't change. Eitan moves out, and he's still breaking things.
I do. I think it is the moment of truth. Ready for it? Add the paneer into here. Get those in there. And now I'm just going to stir this all together. It's all happening. Are you excited, Yoni?
Very.
I prefer to eat my food with garlic naan. Can we have the garlic naan fly into frame? Yes, go for it. Who's getting married first? Oh, honestly true. All right, we have some garlic naan right there. The little note, the eye.
Oh my gosh.
It's on that side, I'm being told. Right there. My garlic naan YouTube video, way back when, in my parents' garage. Let's scoop ourselves some of this deliciousness. Yeah, can you chop up some of the top greens?
Chopped. Is this chopped enough?
At this stage, I'm going to add in kasuri methi, which is a spice. That's like a dried herb. Give that a little sniff. It's fenugreek. It's dried fenugreek leaves. We're just going to stir that up, get that going right at the end. Amazing. Please top with some top leaves, only a little bit. Thank you. We have Eitan's Paneer Tikka Masala. Cheers!
Cheers.
If you want the full recipe, you can find it on eitanbernath.com. Cheers. It's good.
Oh, good.
What?
That taste.
Having flavor.
There's a flavor. That's what it is.
Do you still think flavor's overrated? A little bit.
No, flavor's
If you enjoyed watching this video, you can find it on eitanbernath.com. Subscribe for more videos. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And hit the like button to let us know that you enjoyed. Bell notifications, you're notified when I post videos. And
comment down below if you think you could do better cooking than I can.
let us know.
Oh, really good.
Wow. 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 See, this is what happens when you like spices, flavor. Don't blend it up right away. Magical things happen.
It's all right.
Did you enjoy being on my YouTube channel?
No, flavor's all right. It's not needed.
What about being on my channel?
Oh, that's fun. Yeah, it's all good.
It's all good.